Hey there guys, so I haven't played Sims in a really long time, Sims 3 that is, which is my favorite one. So yesterday I got my new computer and I've installed everything, and so I thought maybe we could, do a little vlog about that, I don't know. So for now I'm shopping worlds, like custom content worlds, so I thought we can have a look at the ones that seem interesting to me. Now this is, let me just change my hands. This is the first one. This is called Beach City, and it has all these packs in it, which I think is very important because I want a world that has basically everything in it. Oh yeah, there's boats and docks, that's cool. Let's just check out, is there more pictures? No, I don't think so, that's the only one. Okay, whatever. So that would be one. Then we have New Twin Brook. This looks really cute. This is more like for animals and such. So Twin Brook I think is an original world, but this is updated to more expansion packs. Then we have Falls Cove, which look quite cute I think. So you have a little bit of a beach there. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that looks really nice. I think I'll get that one. I like the aspects of having a city, but also a little bit of a town feeling in some parts. Ugh, I can't deal with myself right now. So yeah, this one looks really good. This is a remake of A Sunset Valley. Okay, then we have Bridgewood. Not so sure about that one for now. Let's look at the pictures. This looks pretty basic, so I think I'll skip on that one. Yeah, I think that's a little bit too basic for me personally. Then Storybrooke County, so we have a little bit of city. Oh, this is cute, I like that. I'm not so sure about that one yet. Suburbs, seaside, city, countryside, and rural farms. Yeah, kinda. I think this one is one that I'll definitely get. This is Evansdale County. And I think this one looks quite perfect. Yeah. And then this one looked interesting. It is Sakaltok, something like that. I don't know what this is inspired by. Maybe something Norwegian or something, I don't know. It's very colorful and a little bit icy, but yeah, it looks really cute. Quiet town in Greensland. Okay, Greenland. Sorry. This looks cute. And the last one is Twin Towns, which also looks really cute. Yeah, this one looks cool. Oops, sorry. You get a city life and then the more rural. Yeah, so these are the ones I was checking out for now. So for now I got these 2 worlds, no 3 worlds, and I think now I'm gonna look at some clothing and hair for my Sims, and then we can get into the game. Okay, so now I spent way too long on downloading some outfit things, but I'm pretty pleased with the things that I got. I love this skirt, it's really cool. So yeah, now I'm just looking for some hair, and then I think I better get started with playing. Okay, so I've been custom content shopping for 2 hours now, and I think I have quite enough. I have some hair, some makeup, clothes, stuff like that. So I'll wait for this to download and stuff, and then we're finally ready to play. You know how in summertime sometimes you feel bad for spending the day inside playing Sims? Well, I don't right now. Okay, here it is, the moment of truth. Will it start? We'll see. There it is. Yes. Just want to show you some custom content that I got for the hair. And that's cute, I like that. And that's probably the one I'll go for. Then we have this. one's longer. And this one's also longer. I don't like the long hair for the most part. What else? This one is also really cute. The ponytail. Ah, this one's cute as well. Okay, this seems to be like unisex because I got this for men mainly. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, a little bun. So let's see some of the clothing. I think this is so super cute. But really, I'm all for Sailor Mars. Okay, this is quite risque, but I guess they all are. This is kind of cute. And then we have this. This is cute as well. I like this a lot. Look at the little cat at the collar. Okay, now this skirt gives me life. I mean, it is obviously totally crazy, but I just had to. I'm sorry, but these jeans are really cool. This is an outfit, guys. This is an outfit. Okay, then we get this fancy dress. Like, wow. I do like this. And then this is really cute. I do love this, but not on her. That's like more like 70s inspired. And then this one for like formal wear, like a wedding dress. Okay, then I got some nails. And then for shoes, well, this dress is pretty rubbish for shoes. That wasn't clever at all. Okay, so these little boots and then those boots. So here's the bathing suits that I got. I like that one. It's kind of cool. I made it, and it only took me an hour, so let's get into the game, I hope. So I thought I'd show you my Sims quickly and their apartment. I got them an apartment right here. It's quite small. You have this little kitchen area, living room, bathroom back there, and then the like the bedroom. And then this is my man. I called him Oscar Wilde actually, because I was really dumb with names. Just made a salad and is clearly proud of himself. And then, this is my girl. I actually forgot her name. Wow, Haley. And Haley likes to read, as you can see, and she wants to be a scientist, and Oscar wants to have lots of friends. And then I have two cats. We have right here, this is Giselle. Isn't she the cutest? And then we have Gilbert down here destroying furniture. That's great. That's great, Gilbert. You're such a good cat. Could you stop? Thanks. Go home. Yeah, so this apartment where I'm living is pretty fancy, because down here you've got a little common area for people. Yeah. Obviously I'm really bad at showing this stuff, but there are some, you know, treadmills and stuff, which is pretty cool. And I think there's even a garage, I thought. Maybe not. Maybe not. I thought there was a car park somewhere. Oh yeah, back there, I guess. Maybe? I don't know. Where does this house even end? Well, we'll see. But this is what I'm dealing with right now. So Oscar is actually a writer, and he definitely needs to improve his writing. So, yeah. Aww, aren't they so cute? So I'm ready to say goodbye to my Sims for now. I have played a couple of hours, but I've also done other stuff in between, so this was really fun, and I'm really happy that I actually had the time to do this and that it all works out, and it's, you know, it's just nostalgic for me. The saving process is a bit long, so I have played till Saturday, so not really a complete week. They have both been promoted once, so she's on level 2 in the science career and he's level 2 in the journalism career. The cats are fine, they're not doing too well in the flat, and apart from that they just went on a date on Thursday, because that was the day off that they had, and now they're pretty much ready for the weekend. You can see they're really tired both. Yeah, so this was super fun, and I am so excited that, you know, next weekend maybe I can play some more. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, leave a like or a nice comment. I always appreciate those. I know this is such a random video, but it's just something that really made me happy, and I hope it made you happy too. So if you're a Sims 3 fan, let me know what your favorite part of the game is. What is the one thing that you always come back to? I just love the whole concept. There's just so much in this game that you can explore, and I'm starting off very slowly now with the basic stuff, but I'm also very excited to try out all the amazing things that came later on in the game, like scuba diving and stuff like that, because I have never really explored that. So yeah, for now that's all. I hope you had a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!
Mm-hmm.